We have no land economics. We don't look at land monetization. And I was telling the DMRC, the metros, when they asked the government for money, I said, if you monetize your land which you have, you monetize your land, you don't need, you can generate 10,000 crores. The Planning Commission, in its approach paper, has rightly said, has rightly talked of using land resources as one of our resources. That's in the approach paper of the 12th plan. It's very important. We got FAR. Our FAR and FSI issues are antique. We have to look at new FAR and FSI because the global average is 10, and we are looking at, in India, we are less than 4 or less than 4. Or 2, I'm told is 2. I said less than 4. I was, being very liberal. That's why I said, I've said so from various forums, that we need to look at we are relooking at the Delhi Master Plan. It's not linked to realities. With a country like India, our density per person is very high. We are a highly populous country, we are a large country, but you cannot compare India to Brazil. You cannot compare India to Singapore. You cannot compare India to any other country. Because in India, when you talk of land, and you take away from the size of India its mountains, its forests, its rivers, its deserts, how much land are you left with? You can't build in the mountains, you can't build in the rivers, you can't build in the deserts. So how much land are you left with? So what is the per capita land we have? So our FAR, FSI has to be based on these realities. This is extremely important. We have to look at greater land economics. How do we monetize land? But to that, we've got to make sure that whatever FAR, FSI we have has got the carrying capacity to absorb the higher number of dwelling units, which shall be created. I was hearing what Mr. Pradeep Jain and Mr. Lalit Jain were saying. I was hearing your concerns about the Land Acquisition Act.